In this talk, I am going to give a very brief overview of Python Turtle graphics, the concept behind the generative line drawings program I built with it, and then I will show you the code for that program and do a quick demo of its output. First, what is Python Turtle graphics? Python Turtle Graphics is a module built into the Python standard library with an impressive amount of drawing capabilities based around the concept of a turtle with a pen walking around the screen. It is often used as a tool for teaching beginners to program or for introducing children to programming, but I think it is also capable enough to be used by beginners and experienced programmers alike who have an interest in creative coding. Second, the concept behind the generative line drawings program I built with it. So the code defines 4 different parts that are repeated to make up the overall line drawing, and the repetitions use random numbers to determine a variable characteristic of the line each time it is repeated, and the result is a program that can generate a near infinite range of possible drawings, written using less than 50 lines of Python code. Now I will show you the code. So we start off by importing turtle and importing random. Then we have the 4 main functions that define the lines. So we have the pink wave, the purple straight line, the turquoise diamond, and the black zigzag. And there is a parameter which will be a random number passed each time the function is run. Then on line 42 is an important bit, hide turtle. And this has important performance implications because it means that the program does not have to render the little black triangle representation of a turtle at the same time as drawing the lines. And then we have the main loop, which runs each line in turn with a random number generated to pass as the parameter. Now I will run the code and show you the beginning of the line drawing. It takes quite a long time to run, so I won't be able to show the entire line drawing being generated in this talk. But after we have seen it running for a little bit, I will then show some screenshots of output it has generated when I have run it in the past. And you will see that the wave takes the majority of the running time, and that is because it contains nested for loops to control the circular motion. Now the wave is completed, we can now see the turtle moving much faster. And now it's going slow again with the wave. So I will now close this, and I will show you some output it has generated in the past. So this is a full, complete line drawing of the sort that the program can generate. And as you can see, they can be very different from one another. Now, what I want you to do is check out the repository, which contains all my little experiments with Python Turtle graphics. Please take my code and experiment and have fun with it. Do some things of your own building on it. I want you to see and experience the excitement of generating lines and the patterns you can make with such a small amount of code using Python Turtle graphics. So please take my code, experiment and have fun.